Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know your PayPal limits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here for this video, I'm just going to follow these PayPal sports article, and from here we can know how to get your limits. So all you need to do to start managing your limits or to check your daily limits on the PayPal website, that means the web application, you would be needing just to go to the home page, which basically is this one. And from there, we will be needing to go to the PayPal debit and credit card under the PayPal and Pi balance. And as you can see, either you can get it from your wallet or you can simply click on the PayPal balance and then you can go there. So basically now you will be needing just to click on manage, and from there you will start seeing your informations under the daily limits. That means there will be a header where you can find your daily limits, and from there you can know your PayPal limits. Otherwise, if you are using your application, you will go to tap accounts, and basically it will be on the bottom menu, and from there you will need just to select the PayPal balance. Then we would be needing to click on the PayPal debit card that you want, and from there you can start managing the card so you can find your daily limits. And basically, by following these ways, you will be able to start finding your PayPal limits. And of course, the daily limit section display the standard limits noted above. That means PayPal credit and debit card has a daily spending limit of $3,000. Daily ATM withdrawal is limited to 400 USD, etc., etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.